Let's make your day productive, profitable, and of course enjoyable while watching my guitar lessons. Grab your guitar and let's start our today's topic. Our tutorial is about how to play the Dadd9 or Dadd9. Listen carefully. To play the Dadd9, just to make sure you have a guitar, of course. Let's start this. We start from this. You can imitate this. Just put your index finger on the second fret of G note, and then your middle finger on the third fret of B string, and your ring finger to the fourth fret of D string. This is the open chord. This is the Dadd9. How about the construct of this guitar chord? Because this the construct of this of every chord is so very essential. We need to learn this. Let's start the root. The root, of course, is the D note. This is the D. This is the D. Take a look closely. This is the D, the root, and then the tree, D, F, F sharp, D, F sharp. This is the third. And then the perfect fifth, the A note. And then the major 9 is the open E string, high E. This is the 1, 3, 5, 9. The construct or the formula of that guitar chord, Dadd9 or Dadd9 is 1, 3, 5, 9. I hope it's clear for you. And the note E or the high string is the second note when we are studying the major scale. Start from the D major. This is the D. This is the E. This is the second note. Okay? And let's now proceed to the next shape that you can apply or to play the Dadd9. Please watch. Let's start from the fourth fret of D, your index, and then your middle finger to the fifth fret of lower E note, and then your ring finger to the fifth fret of B string, and then your pinky to the seventh fret of the G string. The fifth string or the fifth string and the first string is muted on that shape. I hope it's clear for you. This is the Dadd9 on the second shape. Let's move to the 7th fret. All you have to do is to make a bar your index finger or your middle finger. From the 7th fret, just imitate this. First string and sixth string muted. You should not play. This is the easy shape.